Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you the bloatware list of Windows 10. If you are currently a user of Windows 10, this might help you because Windows 10 bloatware uses your storage and they slow down your PC and it makes a little bit clutter. So if you want a organized and clean Windows 10, you may want to uninstall these programs. So these are the current bloatware of current build of Windows 10. So if you don't use them, you have to you can uninstall them from the apps and features option or something like that in settings. Add or remove programs. You will find these settings in Windows 10 as well. I'm using Windows 11, but it doesn't matter. The settings is same. You just have to search apps and features. Then you will get this. You have to uninstall them from there. So the absolute trash apps are here. I'm gonna talk about some of them. You can uninstall these three. The first three, Paint 3D is not that useful. Yeah, you may use Photoshop or some other app. And tips, who cares for tips? You can no one reads user agreements and tips kind of things. Voice recorder, you may want to keep it if you want to check if your microphone is working correctly or not, but you can use a third-party voice recorder as well. Those are much better, and this is basically like a wallpaper app. There are 4 or 5 wallpapers inside it. You don't want it, you can easily download a wallpaper from Google, but you may want to keep it if you want to support. So then you can delete the weather app. It will show you time and other stuff no matter what, if weather app is available or not. And these are some app which are not useful, these 4, but you can use OneNote if you are want to use OneNote, because OneNote is a great note-taking app and I think it is one of the best, but most people doesn't use OneNote, so you may not want to use it, but I will suggest you give it a try. It syncs between all of your devices. It your Windows PC, your Apple device or your Android phone, doesn't matter. Then if you are not a user of Microsoft Teams, or your company or organization doesn't use Microsoft Teams, then you can uninstall it. You have to uninstall let me tell you these 5 apps, and you have to uninstall this app at first. This is a super trash app. It doesn't support all the codecs and stuff. You may just want to use a third-party video player VLC or Pod Player or Game Player, but I will suggest you to never use this app. This app is literally trash, and you can use sticky notes. It is also a OneNote. You can try it. If you like it, you can use it. And Skype, most people doesn't use it, but if you are a user, you can keep it. And Microsoft's Silverlight, Outlook, Scan, and Java updates, maps, you can uninstall them, as you can use Outlook in browser, and that is actually far better than the desktop in my opinion, unless you are a pro user who needs the app. So, and for maps you have Google Maps, who needs this trash app. And if you don't have a Xbox console, then you don't need this Xbox console companion. And there are 4 included games in Windows 10 as bloatware as well. If you do not play them, then you should not keep them. So these are the bloatware of current Windows 10 build. So if you you can pause this video and uninstall them, or you may want to keep 1 or 2 apps which you like and which might be useful for you. So that's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.